me. Look at the massive difference. Anyway, how are you? How are you all doing? Hope you're all having a good day today. Another vlog to answer some of your question about the hair system. Today's question is tape or adhesive? This is a really tough question. It's all up to you. For me, I never use adhesive. I love tape. Although the adhesive, some people like Phil, some other people I know, they use adhesive from the front and tape from the back. I've never done that. The adhesive gives you this result, this amazing results, and the tape for me gives me really good results. Why I love tape? It's really easy to use. You can keep it for 2 weeks, sometimes keep it for 10 days, 2 weeks, but it still looks really good, still looks amazing. It's easier to clean, and I personally like tape. Some people feels like it's a little bit shiny from the front, but I don't find that at all. I find the tape perfect. I love using the tape. This is today's question about the hair system. If you need any more information, visit hairforall.com. And see you soon, guys. Have a good day.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.